Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about Accenture hiring for March and April, which is the next phase of hiring. So we'll be discussing 3 points basically. One is the pre-placement talk, then hiring schedule, all date and timelines. We'll be discussing in this video, and the last is the assessment slot booking. So let's discuss in details what is pre-placement talk is. After filling the application form, they actually schedule a meeting which is not mandatory to attend, but yes, in that meeting they do discuss with the complete hiring process, how is it going to happen, each and every rounds they discuss about in brief, so that you get an idea what all assessments you'll be having, each and everything. So I'll also put the link in the description box about the complete their website link about the eligibility and the rounds, plus the video links as well, which I have created. Next is hiring schedule and date and timelines. I have mentioned in a roughly manner. So yes, the mock assessment, the invite emails you'll get by 29th of March, invite email, and mock assessment will start from 29th of March and it will end till 31st of March you'll get. Then cognitive, technical, and coding will happen in between 1st April to 3rd April, and before that you'll get emails. Then next round is communication assessment will happen between 4th April to 6th of April. Then virtual interviews will happen anywhere between 8th to 9th April. And yes, result release will happen around 18th of April. Now the result dates you can consider as tentative. It can happen on 18th also, or a day or a few days they can take time. So after that after the results publish, they will give you a documents email which itself says that you are selected after all the rounds. So within the next 3 days they'll give you the documents upload email. So this is a complete process. I'll give the links of all the videos you can go through, or playlist I'll give you. Next part is the assessment slot booking. So assessment slot booking is this kind of email they'll give you, wherein you have to select slot, and if there is any update, in case you have selected any different slot but there is an update, they'll email you that old slot is this and the new slot is this. You have to keep in mind. Now after that, in case you have faced any kind of technical issues in entire process, you can directly call up into this number, and you can use a chat box on their website and mention the technical issues you are facing at that time. They will consider it, but yes, you have to mention it as soon as possible, because after 2-3 days or later, if you mention, then the possibilities of rescheduling your interview or rescheduling the test gets lower. So yeah, make sure that you are aware of this thing. So this was the update, the entire process they have started. I'll give you all the links in the description box so that you can go through each and every thing and you get to know. And yeah, do share with your friends. And yes, in case any doubt you have, you can mention me in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you. And till then guys, have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.